Hi, nice to meet you, Nina. My name is Balkis, and thank you for reaching out to me. Is this your first time having counseling session?
Hi, Balkis. Nice to meet you. Yes, it is my first time.
Great. May I ask, how are you feeling today, or right now, rather?
I wouldn't say that I'm okay, and I'm really nervous at the moment as I'm not used to opening up to people.
Yes, it's alright. At any time of the session, if you are feeling uncomfortable or if you want to stop this session, you are free to do so. And it is totally normal for you to feel uncomfortable because this is your first time. However, as the session progresses, you will feel more and more comfortable to talk to me. And please raise up to me if at any point of this session you are feeling uncomfortable, and I will cease this session immediately, okay?
Alright.
So I need to know what brings you here today, Nina.
Honestly, I feel very overwhelmed. I'm a ballet dancer myself, and recently I just auditioned for this role that I've been yearning for years. I worked so hard for the role. I vomited. I got injured. I even isolated myself from socializing with others to distract from distractions. I just want to be perfect.
Oh, I can sense that you went through so much stress and pressure. However, Nina, I am positive that you've done your absolute best, and the amount of training and all of the hard work you've gone through this far will not betray you in any way. All of those, even the smallest detail that you did, like pushing others away and stuff, that will not betray you in a form that it is not a waste for you to do such things. And I think that you are perfect just the way you are, Nina. Myself would be able to go through the auditions. Like you, Nina, have more guts than I do. And I'm proud of you of that.
You know, I smoke cigarettes. And you see this scars? It's from me scratching it.
Okay.
Because it's to stop me
From your
from my
anxiety?
anxiety.
It's the habit that you develop
Yeah.
as a coping mechanism?
Yes, my anxiety kills me all the time.
Oh dear Nina, apart from your anxiety and the stress that you've been facing, what else that has been bugging you mentally?
You know, people might think that I'm crazy, and honestly, it's up to you if you want to believe me or not. But I hallucinate at times, and I see reflections of this thing. It's just pure evil. The image, I mean, it scares me a lot.
I see. Can you describe the image more to me?
It's actually me. She was just staring at me with this pure evil smile. That day when I was rehearsing, she just stared at me through the mirror. And what's even worse is that the lights suddenly started to turn off. And I saw this, I don't know, something like a devil-like person. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really creepy. You must think that I'm crazy, right?
No, I definitely did not think that you're insane or whatever that you might think people think of you. I do not think so, and I think that you must have been frightened a lot during this time, yes? May I know, what do you do afterwards when these hallucinations come?
Oh, I tried to look for it like everywhere, but it's just nowhere to be seen.
Nina, I believe you, Nina, and you are not going insane. The stress and the constant wishful thinking that you have gone through must have already taken a toll on you, which causes the hallucination to happen. And now, to reduce the stress that you're facing right now, shall we do a dance movement therapy? It's a form of art therapy. I am a licensed clinical professional counselor and a dance movement therapist. And since you are a dancer, I would propose this therapy for you. So how I'm planning to help you is through DMT. And DMT is a psychotherapeutic use of movement to further emotional, cognitive, physical, and social integration of an individual. We are looking at how well being wise mentally, physically, from a cognitive standpoint, and also socially. Like I mentioned earlier, if you are ever uncomfortable with this whole session that we're doing, you can just follow me up and I'll seize the activity onwards, okay?
Okay, I guess. Let's give it a go.
Okay, so we are going to start this activity by activating our body. So let's take a deep breath. First, you place one hand on your stomach and one hand on your chest. And we inhale, like take a deep breath and exhale slowly, okay? Ready? We're going to do this for 30 seconds. I'll set up a timer and we'll start. Okay, so inhale, exhale slowly with me. Inhale, exhale slowly. Inhale, exhale slowly. Deep breath. Exhale. Inhale. Slowly exhale, calm your mind. So our 30 seconds have gone through. So before we go on to our next activity, shall we move to a more spacious place so you can move around more freely?
Sure.
Well, we've moved to a bigger space, and I know it's mid-afternoon, but I think we need a big stretch to start loosening up our muscles before we start the activity. Yes?
Yeah.
So first, I want you to do is raise your hand above your head and start going down and shaking your whole body so that you start loosening up your shoulder muscles and your hand muscles. And we're going to do this a few more times, 8 times to be precise. So let's begin. 2, 3. Unleash your inner dancer. Yes. And 4 more times. Yes, Nina. Feel free to listen up and be yourself. Nice. Good job, Nina. Good job. Let's have a warm up. Further out our warm up session. We're going to move our neck in a circular motion 8 times. Yes, loosen up your neck muscles as I bleed, you know. And next we're going to do a circular motion on our hips. And now on the last part of our warming up session, we do a circular motion on our hands, one by one. Yes, that is 8 times to loosen up the tension that you might be feeling now. You mentioned that you're a ballet dancer, so this must be something that you do on a regular basis, yes?
I do this every day.
That was beautiful, beautiful, Nina. How do you feel now?
Oh, that was really nice. I just love moving and I feel so free and at home.
Yeah, you feel free, yes. And that's really great to hear. Now I'm giving you to put on some light and gentle music in the background while I want you to dance and move however you feel like doing. And try to focus on how you feel or portray your feelings, your inner desires throughout your dance movement.
Alright, sure. Let's give it a go.
Mm-hmm. Let your feelings. Oh, what are you reaching for?
I am reaching for the roll of the swan.
That was brilliant, Nina. How do you feel now? How do you think our session has helped you?
Yeah, I felt like everything was just right.
Mm-hmm.
It felt like I was seen
Mm-hmm.
without even being judged by others.
Amazing, amazing. Wonderful, Lena. Absolutely wonderful. I had a very good session with you today, and I hope that you know that you are always welcome to do your DMT sessions with me anytime or any day that you feel like you need the place to release your tension and to feel free and be whoever you are. You are free to come here anytime, Lena.
Thank you so much, Balkis. I really appreciate your help, and I foresee that I will be coming again for the next sessions.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That is amazing, Nina. You are most welcome. And please remember that you are worth it, Nina. You are truly beautiful just the way you are. You don't need to consider other people's thoughts. And feel free to come here anytime.
Thank you so much, Balkis.